Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to do a boxing, taste test, and review of the subscription box, Try the World. There's two options on their website. You could do foods from around the world or snacks, but we just got the box, and we're going to pretty much do unboxing, look at all the ones that you could choose from. I'm vegan, my wife's gluten-free, so we're excited about the box. We're going to do the unboxing, show all the items that come in it. Then we'll do a taste test, and I'll have the ingredients on the screen, and then we'll do a review. So we're just going to do the unboxing. So here we have the cover of the box. Now we have some apple, crunchy snacks, we also have some mangoes, really like dried mangoes. We also have some whole roasted cashews. Here we have sugar and spice. I think it's, this one is sprinkling of sea salt. So it's two different ones. We have this right here, which is Stroop waffle. I'm originally from Spain, so this is very familiar to me. And here we have an item, and it's ice cream. It kind of looks something you would get in Japan, because I lived in Japan for 3 years. So they have cool snacks like that. Here we have artichoke. Really excited about that. A lot of artichoke stuff. And then we have a drink, and it's well wrapped. So let me put that down. And it is pretty much a mint. So it's gonna be cool to try. I think that's everything. So that's everything in the box. We will be taste testing and doing a review. Okay, so now we're going to do the taste testing. I have my son here. He also wants to be part of it. And so we're just going to taste test each one and evaluate what we think. So now we already tried some of the items previously. And so we're really excited. We like I would say almost all of it. So we're just going to taste test. So let me put all this down so you guys can see. So some of the items I'm not able to taste test because I'm a vegan. So my son would be taste testing it and then determine if he likes it or not. So we're just going to do this one first.
I was excited about those.
And this is the Stroop waffle.
What's a Stroop
caramel? You see this in Europe a lot. I'm from Spain, so
that's pretty good.
What do you think of the smell?
Smells good.
All right. So let's see.
I feel like I've had this before. It's really good.
What do you think about the texture?
I think it's good. It's not too hard or too chewy. Like you keep chewing on it.
So is there enough caramel?
Yeah, I can taste it. This is good.
Okay. So that's that. Just leave it there.
All right.
Go right here. Move this. Okay. So next we're going to try the Bebito ice cream jelly gum.
What?
So
With gum or ice cream or jelly or what?
it's candy. I think.
There's a lot of words combined into this little packaging.
Now, I don't know too much about the ingredients. The ingredients are quite extensive.
What in the world?
It's probably some of the longest ingredients I've seen.
What in the...
Well, here's the English version, but so.
I don't know. We'll see what this is.
There you go.
There you go. I'm assuming this is like gum.
smells good.
Like ice cream flavored gum with like jelly in it. I don't know.
It's not gum. It's actually candy. I think. I don't think it's gum.
It doesn't taste like gum. It tastes good.
So it's got a lot of fruit, vegetables type, and like.
Yeah, I don't think it's gum because I was able to swallow it.
Yeah. So, what did you think about it?
It's really good. That's probably better than like this.
What about the texture?
It's really easy. Like it almost like melts in your mouth, and then you can like swallow it.
What about the flavor?
It's really good. It has like you can taste like the ice cream flavor. It definitely tastes like candy.
Okay. So next we're gonna try the mango. Now this we previously tried. It was really good.
The only problem is that they kind of all stick together. Like the mango is one like big mass.
It is dried mango, so.
Yeah. Hey, you haven't tried anything yet.
I think so.
Is it good?
Mmm.
This is one of the best mango products we've tried.
Yeah, I love dried mango. So Quinn's tried quite a bit of mangoes over the years. Definitely has the best flavor.
Yeah.
And it has no added sugar.
That's good. Is all this stuff
So
vegan?
really good dried mango.
This isn't.
What's that?
I'm assuming some of this isn't vegan, like the stoop waffle.
Yeah, that isn't. Okay, so next we're gonna try nuts. Now, Quinn's not a fan of nuts, so he's probably not gonna like it, but he'll try it.
I'll probably eat like one.
Okay.
Give me one. Let's see if I can. So now I'm done your nose.
You can't really taste the sugar and spice. Everything nice.
I think it tastes over sugared. I don't know.
Tastes good. I just think it needs a little bit more flavoring. Okay, now this one's sprinkling of sea salt. This is probably more my cup of tea. Here you go.
Whoa. That's salty. You can taste the sodium.
Yeah, that's a lot of salt.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so I beg to differ on that one. I think that's a little bit too salted.
Yeah, it's like you can like taste the sodium in your mouth.
Yeah.
The apple slices. We've had a lot of these.
Actually, yeah, we only have one left. Here you go.
Yummy. Yeah, these taste like they're delicious. These are kind of addicting. I only wish they had a little bit more. They don't really give you that much per package.
The package does have, it's a full package though.
Yeah.
Which is a good thing.
It's not like half air.
Yeah. And so it's has a no sugar, all natural, no preservatives, gluten-free, vegan-friendly. So I would say the mango and the apple are the best I've ever tried as far as like dried products and
they're the healthiest.
Preserved. Okay.
I'm assuming these are also pretty healthy.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay. They're kind of sticky.
Now this is the artichoke, basil, and thigh.
Pretty good. Yeah, we've already had that one off camera.
So that's one of the best artichoke hearts things that we've tried. So now we're trying the cocoa fruit of cool mint.
This is probably going to be really strong for you because you just brushed your teeth.
Yeah, true.
Ooh. Why is it bubbling? Guess it's going to taste like Sprite.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, I got this thing is like about to come out.
You do not want that to drink that. That seems strong.
Here, you try that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna try this one. Let me make sure it has ingredients. Oh, it's organic. Has like a really sour taste.
It tastes like the smell of vinegar, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does almost taste like vinegar. Now, I'm a little bit older. I grew up with, my grandma. She always drank vinegar every day. She tried to make me drink vinegar. She had me taste test it. And so I think this is like almost the same.
Yeah.
It has that vinegar kind of flavor. And it's not as thick. I mean, it is more watered down. Also, it's very sour, and it just doesn't. I don't think it appeals to me. What do you think about it?
Actually, I'm not gonna drink it.
What do you think about it?
I think it tastes just like straight vinegar, like the smell of vinegar.
Yeah, but all right.
What is this supposed to be?
Oh, here, don't spill it.
Soda.
Yeah.
That tastes like very watered down, like Sprite if you added vinegar in it.
Well, it's all organic. So fruit juice, organic spearmint, organic peppermint, sparkling water. And you can taste the sparkling water aspect of it. But
I think they added too much. It's too watered down.
You can't taste the spearmint or the peppermint at all, like zero. And so it's nice that they added it, but you really can't taste it. So what did you think overall total of the subscription box?
I thought the subscription box had some interesting foods. It had
A waffle.
The stoop waffle, the apples, which are really good. These are really good, whatever these jelly gum ice cream candy things were. It had the artichoke hearts and the mangoes, which are also good. And some of the food that I was like, was definitely the vinegar soda.
Yeah.
Or whatever. And I'm not a fan of nuts, but I think we can all agree that this just tastes like straight sodium.
Yeah, it has a lot of
and then
salt.
this one tastes like over-sugared a little.
Yeah, it doesn't have that. I think it's supposed to have a certain flavor, sugar and spice and everything nice. I don't know if it was just sugar, but you could definitely taste the sugar. So overall, I just think it's a great subscription box. There's going to be hits and misses depending on your flavor or your palate, but just great subscription box.
Yeah.
It's a good way to try new things, and for the most part, if you have a family, I think this is a good way to figure out the best way to figure out what everyone likes, and so you could go from there. Especially with special diets, like I'm vegan, my wife's gluten free, and Quinn just eats whatever. So overall, anything you want to say?
I would say this is overall a pretty good box. You definitely get to try the world from these, because I don't think you'd be able to try a lot of this stuff in the U.S.
I think they do sell them. It's just
Expensive?
You have to find them at different stores.
Mm-hmm.
So
we don't live near to any. We basically live in the city where all the stores they have are pretty much just the average U.S. stores like Publix, Costco, stuff like that.
Whole Foods has a lot of foreign food, but overall, just a great different pretty much items to taste test. Really liked it. If you like, I'm gonna have a link in the bottom for the description box. Really happy to try this. Hope to try some more of them. And so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Social media is down below in the description. Like I said, we'll have a link for the product, and we'll see you in the next video.